Today we are going to be opening a little hotties package. It's not what you think it is, okay? It's a hand warmer thing, okay? It's these. I use these for writing, okay? Hand warmers. There we go. I got it. Hand warmers. Well, yes, if you do not know what hand warmers are, I will show you in a second. There's one outside. I'm trying to look for my knife because I still haven't found it. Also, go check out my friend Grady's account. And you should also go follow me on Instagram. So, you can talk. Tell me the basics of how I make my videos, And if you want to be a YouTuber, be a YouTuber. It's not that hard, okay? Other YouTubers inspired me to be a YouTuber. So I'm a YouTuber now. I'm not a very good YouTuber. Comment down below if I'm a good YouTuber. Yes, I'm a good YouTuber, or no, I'm a horrible YouTuber. I know I have a Kool-Aid mustache. I'm sorry, okay? Don't look very good today because I thought I had school, but I don't. Yes, because that's awesome. There's that mother cracker. But that thing goes down. Down, down, down. So also, I'm going to be maybe giving away one of these pick lock things. Comment down below, pick, if you would like to win a pick lock, which is also good for cutting stuff. I mean, not that good, but, good enough. So today, I'm going to show you what we're doing right now. We're going outside. Also, go check out Jacob's account. I'll probably link it down in the description. I forgot his account, so don't be angry, but it's if he's watching, he's one of my subscribers, shout out to him. Also, Grady Brown, he's a subscriber, and I'm a subscriber for him. Also, comment down below for pick, if you want a pick lock. And I'll probably I'll have to, text you or something, because I can't really get information like that, giving away my information. So, hold on, let me put my boots on. So, hold on. Okay, see this? This is a hand warmer. And today we're going to be cutting it open. Also, I don't have a camera person today, sadly, because Grady Brown is not here. So we're just going to have to back this up right there. Y'all tell me if that looks good, and I'll cut it right here. So, okay guys, you can see it. That's right there. I know y'all may not see it very good, but safety is not our #1 priority. So, if I die, my last YouTube video. My YouTuber account will be passed down to one of my subscribers. So make sure you subscribe. If you don't want me to die, still subscribe. Just always hit that subscribe button, no matter what. Okay? Black powder? I don't know what this is. It's like some kind of powder, guys. I wonder if it's flammable. Because, I could light it. See that? That's what's inside of those. And, it looks kind of dangerous. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's inhalable or not. But if this video is not published, it will be probably checked on in the FBI and blah blah blah. Ooh, smells horrible. So advice, don't do this at home because You don't know what's inside of this, and it's probably very toxic. I didn't look at the ingredients. It's disgusting. Hold on. I need to get that stuff off. Sadly, I don't have my broom out here, so we're just gonna have to go all caveman style out here. With a bag. Maybe. No, never mind. It's a bad idea. I do not feel good. Just hold on, guys. So don't freak out. I disappeared. For I don't know how long, but yeah, caveman style. Get on out of here. Okay, guys. So that was the video. And also, comment pick down below if you would like to win one of these. I have a couple more handmade ones that are somewhere in the garage. And we will be doing a video in there today. So, lucky for us. Maybe I'll get to find it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like it if you liked the video. Hopefully you did. I know it's not a very good video because I'm just starting. Really, because I haven't did these videos in like so long. But, yeah. So, see y'all later, and peace out. It is not working.